Chatabout, peer-to-peer chat, and Urbit terminal, mod UTF feed. Problem areas addressed. Between moderating communities, it can be done via tarot commands. There are ephemeral spirits provided per connection. Timestamps are included with future slot adjustable. You can copy and paste, triggering, or in the future, triggering a secure WebSocket page feed. You can add your color adjustment, and you can represent your online status by opening the page in a normal web browser. The architecture looks like a front end with a few Fluent services written in Aqua. These transmute messages, and one of the Fluent services will put a poke onto a ship that for the person that's moderating the chat, so that they can shut things down, or they can see when people have joined with different colors. That's the ideal situation. So we see that from the operating function, we have federated nodes managing who's joining chats, and we have the actual chats and the messages being sent across the Fluent network. Demo. Okay, so this is a chat that I have already opened up, and we see in my web term someone, would be my identity here, join chatabout, the color orange. So I can make a new window, and there should be a new message that gets sent. There we go. Radioactive journey, strength, disruption. I can send messages. Good morning. There's that first peer. And I can browse NFTs and check out certain things of wanting to talk about topics. Maybe we could talk about this topic. And we should see that in the other chat here. Okay. And it's all being sent there. And ideally in the future there'd be a tri-identity formation where you'd have these identities, ENS and Urbit sigils, which is talked about here. And it would require at least one mod to moderate the conversation with up to 14 folks. Logs in via an interface with your plus code, so you can shut down on prompt if something, or if you're done with the conversation, or you want to move on, or you're just not around to moderate. And in the future, you could have chat widgets from the server-side rendering, so you could have pure text being sent across the Fluent network. You can, ideally we'd like to convert the Aqua user service to Marine to manage the peer identities. You could have a Blueberry non-invasive brain-computer interface, charting the chat. I guess you'd call it mental well-being or flow states of what people are engaging in. And this would be represented in some type of color cue, maybe like a background that's more visual. And that's the end.